A married person who loved you before has a secret message. There's something I never got to say, and it's been eating me alive. You deserve honesty, but I gave you silence, and now I live in it every day. I am married, yes, but before that, I loved you. I still do. I know how that sounds. I know how wrong it feels. But this is not about betrayal. This is about truth. My truth. And I can't carry it anymore. You were never just a chapter. You were the whole story. I was too afraid to write. I remember the way you looked at me, like I was someone worth choosing. Like I was already whole, and I believed you. That scarred me because when someone sees you like that, you can't hide anymore. And I was hiding from myself, from you, from the life I really wanted. We had something pure, something wild, unspoken yet understood, and I traded it for safety, for what they call stability. But stability never held me the way you did. It never set my soul on fire. It never made me feel alive. You did. There were nights I would lie awake, right beside someone else, and think of your love, your eyes, the way your energy wrapped around mine like a song. I never wanted to stop playing, and yet I let you go. No explanation, no closure, just silence. God, I wish I could go back, not to change everything, but just to tell you what you meant. You were the heartbeat I ignored, the dream I tucked away because the world said it was impossible. And I listened to the world, not to my heart, not to you. They say love is about timing. But what if the timing is never perfect? What if the real tragedy is not choosing the person your soul never stopped whispering about? That person was you. Is you? I know you have probably moved on. Maybe you don't even think of me anymore. But if there's even a flicker of you that still wanders, let me say it now. Sometimes I wonder, do you ever think of me? Did any part of what we had stay with you, like it did with me? Or did time wipe me away from your heart completely? If nothing else, I hope this makes you smile, even briefly. I hope you feel remembered. Because even if I can't say it out loud, I will always carry a soft spot for you in my heart. You were my once in a lifetime love, even if life had other plans. Yours in silence and memory. I loved you deeply, fully, silently, and I still carry that love, quietly, secretly, faithfully. Maybe I was never meant to have you in this lifetime, but I need you to know, in all the lives I have lived in my mind, you were always the one I came home to. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe.